So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Hello friends, welcome back to another interesting video of Power BI Masterclass series. Now this time we will see what is meant by incremental refresh option in Power BI, and we will create our own incremental refresh option in Power BI. So let's see. So first of all, we will have some data set here. I'll import my data set here. I will provide the data set link in the description below. I'll click on import data from Excel, and you can see we have this sales data. I'll click on it and I'll click on open here. So this is just a dummy data set which I have created using ChatGPT here. So I'll select my tables and I'll click on transform data. First of all, we need to rename these tables here. So this is my 2022 sales figure. So I'll say this is 2022 sales, and this is my 2024 sales. I'll say this is 2024 sales, and this is my 2023 sales. So I'll order this here. Now you can see we have 2022, 2023, and 2024 sales figures. So let's see what is meant by incremental refresh. So what this incremental refresh option does, it will automatically refreshes the reports, the data set, so that we are getting the updated results. So this incremental refresh option is paid in Power BI. So this is a premium feature. Now let's see how we can create our own incremental refresh option in Power BI. So for that, what I'll do, I'll group this, I'll just join these three tables. So I'll close and apply here. And what I'll do, I'll create a table here. So I'll create a table that is a combination of these three sales figures. So what I'll do, I'll go to this modeling option and I'll create a hit on this new table here to create a new table. And I'll say this is my sales table. So this is my sales TBL, and here I'll use union function. So this is a set operator function. So what it does, it will union the table. That means it combines the tables whose the columns are matched. So we have three sales figures, these three sheets. All the columns are similar, so I'll use union here. And here what I'll do, I'll say I want to join these and these sales figures and 2024 sales figures also. So let's click on it. Now what I'll do, I'll first go to this table view. You can see here. So this is a month. So here you can see we are starting from 2022 up to 2024. We have the sales figures. Now I'll go to this report view. So let's visualize our data. So I'll select, let's say, a clustered bar chart. Let's this clustered column chart first. So what I'll do, I'll add my date field. So we have the date field in month column. So here instead of data hierarchy, all of this I want year and month. I just want year, and I want the sales figures. I can see we have the sales figure for the month. Let's increase. Let's set the data tables here. Data labels. Let's on this. Let's increase the values. Say 15. Let's say 15 and make it bold here. You can see, so the 2022 sales figures are 0.24 million, and the 2023 sales figures are higher than this 2024 sales figures. Now every time when you try to refresh this, so it will take too many times, to refresh these data sets. So that's why we will use incremental refresh option. So what this incremental refresh does, it will continuously try to upgrade that, uh, tries to refresh our data set. So it will ensure that we will getting the updated data set, updated rows from the sheets. So that's incremental refresh option is paid. Now let's see how we can create our own incremental refresh option. So what I'll do, I'll say this 2022 and this 2023 sales figures. I'll say these sales figures are gone. So these years are gone, Now I'm in 2024 sales figures. Now I'm thinking that any date, any update is made within this 2022 2024 sheets, sales figure sheets. So what I'll do, I'll make these two sales figures as a constant, and I'll try to update this. So how to do that? So for that, I'll go to this transform option, and you can see we have transform data. I'll click on it, and from here I'll just right click on this. You can see here we have option called include in report refresh. I'll untick it, and for this also, yeah, you can see, and make sure to tick for this 2024 sales figures, so include in the report refresh. So now let's close and apply here. Now what I'll do, I'll try to change the sales figure. So I'll go to this my sales data. So we have this sales data. I'll open it. Now let's increase the values here. Let's increase these sales figures. So what I'll do, I'll just put a random number here. So let's and put a random number for this and for this also. Now I'll save this and I'll go to this, and here let's click on refresh option. I can see nothing is happening because I set it these two sales figures as a constant. I don't want these sales figures to be updated. Now what I'll do, I'll change this 2024 data. So what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll increase, let's say, this banana. So the sales figures. So let's increase, let's say, some random values. And here let's control save, hit a control save here, and I'll go here and let's select this and let's click on refresh. I can see this sales figure is got increased. So this is how we can create our incremental refresh in Power BI. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed in this video. Stay tuned for the next video.